Hello guys! Did you know that there are two ways para makabuo ka ng emergency fund? Number one is what we call accumulation. Number two is accreditation. Check natin, ano ba ang mas practical option for you? Yung accumulation guys, ang ibig sabihin nun, ikaw mismo ang mag-iipon ng pera for emergency fund. Let's say, nakakapagtabi ka ng 2,500 per month. If you do that consistently for 1 year, then congratulations, meron ka ng 30,000 pesos. But ang tanong is, malaki ba ang 30,000 as an emergency fund? Sadly, ang 30,000 po ay maliit for an emergency or to address an emergency. But then again guys, 30,000 is still okay compare sa wala ka talagang naitatabi. The second option to create an emergency fund is through accreditation. Instead na ikaw ang mag-iipon for your emergency fund, you are going to pay a company to help you during your emergencies. Let's say, 2,500 pa din ang itatabi mo. But this time, you are going to pay your 2,500 to that particular company. So in 1 year, you would have paid 30,000. Ang tanong is, 30,000 lang din ba ang emergency fund mo? The difference now is, hindi lang 30,000 ang makukuha mong emergency fund. More or less, it's around 500,000 or 1 million. The question now is, ano ba ang mas practical na option? Accumulation or accreditation? Based on the math alone, accreditation is the practical option. And that is how life insurance works. Life insurance is your plan B in case emergencies happen in your life. Ano bang mga life emergencies? Katulad ng magkakasakit ka, then maha-hospital ka, or pwede ding aksidente, or even untimely death. Ang next na tanong is, ano ba ang magandang life insurance company? What I recommend to you guys is PruLife UK. Ang PruLife UK is 176 years na sa insurance industry. And syempre, kung ang PruLife UK is reliable and trustworthy, dapat ganun din ang kukunin mong agent. My name is Sarah Marie Lacap. I'm an assistant unit manager here in PruLife UK for more than 4 years. Send me a private message if you have any questions about our insurance programs.